I got a great video for you today. So we took a win on GU. It was a great trade, to be honest. And you know, the key thing is with this, I took a couple of losses recently. I didn't take a trade that I should have took. It's been up and down, up and down. The thing is, you mustn't get deterred. Just keep taking the trades, because if I'd have been scared, I wouldn't have took this trade today, because it wasn't the ideal setup. It wasn't perfect. But I just took the trade, and I will show you exactly how I got into it and why it was a little bit, I was a bit unsure. Now, if we look at this 5-minute structure, you can see, right, price was trading down for a long period of time yesterday, right? Throughout the night, price started pushing up, and we've got two bullish candles on the 4H, which I'll show you in a minute. But you can see we're broken out of key areas within the market in this downtrend. This is your higher low, your lower high, sorry. You see we're broken out of this here. Price started to trend upwards, creating higher highs, higher lows. So when I come to the charts this morning, you could see that price, ignore all this is where I just track all of my charts, my trades that I take. So when I come to the charts this morning, I could see two bullish candles. It's closed throughout the night, 10 p.m. till 2, 2 till 6. So with that being said, and when I looked at the DXY, it was in a key area of resistance, which I'll show you. Key area of resistance, right? You can see this, ignore this. Right, so price had been in a range for a long period of time. Yesterday, we broke out of it. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday we broke out of it, and then we pulled back into this key area. So this could have been a breakout and break back in. But what I was thinking, well, we've broken out, we've pushed back up to this area. Potentially we could get a retracement, not a retracement. We could resist this area and basically continue bearish from here. So, with that being said, and the two 4H candles closing bullish, I thought, well, let's just take a buy and let's see what happens. Because what potentially could have happened is the next candle, the 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. candle, could have pushed up to create a wick, but then it could have closed bearish and gone down, basically, and to continue this. And we could have pulled into this key area. But my thoughts were, if it's going to push up, well, maybe at least we can get to 1-to-1 and lock in the trade, make sure it's safe, and see what happens. So that's what I did. So let's just show you. So this was the candle close, the 4-hour candle close, the final 5-minute candle within that time frame. I used the 4H for directional bias, 5-minute for entry. So you can see price will pull back into this area, which is your higher low. So we bounced off this. So I was looking for the continuation. So the way that I get into trades is like this. Now, if you're new to the channel, I'll explain it. If you already subscribed, you'll know. So this is the final candle of the 4-hour candle, the 2 a.m. till 6 a.m. This is the final 5-minute candle. So what I want to see is the new 4H to create a wick before we get that continuation. So this is the body close. What I want to see is a pullback below this line, because anything below this is the candle pulling bearish to create a wick on the 4H, and then anything above this, it's the candle flipping bullish. So I went down onto my 1 minute just to see what was going on. So I could see price was pulling back. So this is your wick forming on your 4H, like so, and price pushed bullish. So I think this happened pretty quick. It happened pretty quick. I got in here. When I seen this candle close bullish, I then set my buy stop, right, at this level. And I wanted to get on the break of the 4H, the break of this level, because this is where your 4H is flipping bullish. So, oh, did I put it there? Yeah. Oh, no. I put it here. Let me get rid of that. Excuse me. Yeah, I put my entry there, and my stop loss was around there. Let's have a look. I've got it on here. Yeah. So it was an 8 pip stop loss going for 16 pip profit. 1-to-2. 1-to-2. So when I seen price pulling back up, when I seen price pushing up, I set my buy stop. At this point, I'd set my buy stop now, anticipating a break. And if I just go back onto the 5 minute, we'll just roll from here. So we got tagged in, and you can see price started pushing up. And now we just traded sideways for like an hour and 40. It was all the way till 8 o'clock until we started seeing some momentum. I almost got tagged out there. And then at that 8 o'clock candle, we just started pushing bullish. And at this point, I ended up closing for a 1 to 6 because I've been sat in it for a long period of time. I thought, I'm just going to take my money. I was up £300 on my challenge. I just thought, I'm taking it. You know, why not? Why not take it? So I took the money. Anyway, if I'd have waited, I'd have got the 1 to 2, but it's not an issue. It's not an issue. And, you know, throughout the day, the price just rallied. It's just been rallying all day, as you can see. I mean, if you could have held that, that would have been a smoker of a trade, but it is what it is. So going into tomorrow, see how price reacts in and around this level overnight. And if we can get a break of this, I guess we're just looking for buys. Just got to see how price forms overnight. I could say something now. God knows what can happen overnight in the Asian session. So, yeah, that was today's trade. The moral of the story is don't be deterred by losing trades that you should have took, which you didn't. It starts messing with your mindset. Everything just goes to pot. So, yeah, that was today's trade. Let's keep going. Never quit. Never give up. Every day is a lesson. It's a learning curve. You just got to progress, move forward, keep on going, and that's it. So, hope you enjoyed that one. Tried to explain the process a little bit. Each day, we're getting closer to escaping that 9 to 5, baby. So, hope you enjoyed that one. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.